My name is Anthony Pegues. I took the Web Development Immersive course in 2017. Before GA, I was a custodian, kind of a dead-end job. During that time, I was also an amateur boxer. I'm actually a Golden Glove winner. You know, it really was a crucial time in my life. You know, I was about 25, 26 years old. I was living with my mother in a senior citizen's home. I was literally sleeping on the floor. So it was like one of those situations where I had to make a change in my life, and I made a decision that web development was gonna be the next step for me. And you know, I looked online for other, alternative pathways, and General Assembly offered the greatest opportunity for me. So I just took advantage of that opportunity and never looked back. It was rigorous. It definitely pushed me to my limits. No matter how tough it became, it was like, why am I here? I'm in a situation at home I don't want to be in. I want to change my life, and that just kept fueling me every day. And I think that helped other people. Just me, bringing my all to the program. I think other people, it resonated with other people, and it made the whole experience better. It made me realize that I wasn't in this alone too. Like, there was so many other people that I could collab with and work together on a bunch of different things. Well, now I currently work as a back-end engineer for a company called Shutterstock, and I've been there for about 2 years now. I mainly work on Node.js apps. And my day-to-day is pretty smooth. I realized that me and other students that go through this program, we do have kind of an advantage because of the curriculum. They teach us the latest technologies. I can still come on board to any company, any team, and learn their process. And I think that's what GA instilled in me, just that ability to learn quickly and feel empowered to just have that skill to learn and be able to do multiple things. A message to all the companies out there: don't turn away from alternative pathways. You never know what type of skill set you're gonna find in these type of alternative schools. Someone like me, I don't have a CS degree, but I've been a software engineer for about 4 or 5 years. So there's definitely alternative candidates out there, and they're just as good, and they can be just as valuable to your company.